There are a lot of myths and misinformation about the brain that pass as brain facts. This is somewhat understandable. The study of the human brain is one of the least explored areas in science. Even experts agree that there is more that we don't know about the brain than we currently do know. Here are some incredible numerical facts about the human brain. 1. The brain accounts for around 2% of the body weight of the average adult human. Despite its small size, the brain consumes roughly 20% of the oxygen and thus calories consumed by the body. 2. About 73% of your brain is made up of water. Dehydration can affect your attention, memory, and other cognitive functioning in as little as 2%. 3. 90 minutes of sweating can temporarily shorten the brain by the same amount as a year of aging. 4. The brain is around 3 pounds in weight. The brain is the fatty organ in the body, accounting for 60% of its dry weight. 5. The brain is home to 25% of the body's cholesterol. Cholesterol is a necessary component of all brain cells. Brain cells perish if they don't get enough cholesterol. 6. Babies have large heads to accommodate their quickly developing brains. The brain of a 2-year-old is 80% the size of an adult's. 7. Information in the brain may travel at speeds of up to 268 miles per hour. This is faster than Formula One race cars, which reach speeds of 240 miles per hour. 8. The brain produces approximately 20 watts of electricity. This is sufficient to light a low wattage bulb. 9. The brain is known as a random thought generator for a reason. The human brain produces 48.6 thoughts every minute on average. This equates to approximately 70,000 thoughts per day. 10. The brain receives 750 to 1,000 milliliters of blood every minute. This is enough to fill a liter bottle of soda or a bottle of wine. 11. In less time than it takes to blink, your brain can analyze a picture that your eyes have viewed for as little as 13 milliseconds. 12. Even after accounting for larger body sizes, men's brains are on average 10% larger than women's. Women, on the other hand, have a larger hippocampus, the area of the brain most closely associated to memory. 13. Humans have the greatest brains compared to body weight of any animals, but not the largest brains. Sperm whales with 17-pound brains hold this distinction. 14. Brain cells will cannibalize one another as a last resort source of energy to avoid famine. In certain ways, dieting, particularly low-fat diets, can cause your brain to practically consume itself. 15. Exposure to electromagnetic frequencies, such as those emitted by your cell phone and other electronic gadgets, has a deleterious influence on over 140 proteins in the brain. 16. There is no such thing as a left brain personality type or a right brain talent type. We are all whole-brained, not left-brained or right-brained. 17. The brain tissue of humans is not dense. It's delicate, with a soft, mushy consistency similar to soft tofu or gelatin. 18. Although the brain processes pain, it lacks pain receptors and does not experience pain. This describes how brain surgery can be performed without pain or discomfort while the patient is awake. 19. Introverts and extroverts have significantly different brains. Extroverts' dopamine reward network is more active in their brains, while introverts' brains have more gray matter. Twinkie. The K computer from Japan is one of the world's most powerful computers. It took 40 minutes to crunch the data equivalent to 1 second of brain activity when trained to replicate human brain activity. 21. It's believed that 70% of a person's mental chatter is negative, self-critical, pessimistic, and afraid, out of thousands of thoughts per day. 23. Do you believe you have complete control over your life? Don't put your faith in it. Your subconscious mind is where 95% of your decisions are made.